Switching between light and dark mode can be useful, whether it is for reading comfort under various lighting environments or as a matter of preference. On TypeDream, you as the site owner decide on the default theme of your site, but you could also give the option for viewers of your site to toggle between light and dark mode by adding a light switch. There are two ways you can add a light switch. The first is to go under Site Settings and enable the option there. The second option is to hit the Publish button, and then under Advanced Options, turn on the light and dark mode toggle. With Light Switch enabled, site viewers will now see this button on the top right-hand corner, and when they click on it, your site will automatically switch between light and dark modes. A small tip here is that you want to ensure that your text always has good contrast regardless of the theme you are in. An easy way to guarantee that is to use the default color for both your background and text color. Alternatively, you can make sure that the background color and text color stay in contrast and always stay the same regardless of mode. For example, a container that is white with text inside that is in the default color will not look nice because when flipped to dark mode, the container will stay white while the text will turn from black to white. Instead, you can do a white container and black text. I hope that this has been helpful, and we look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial.